The Rebuilding Together ramp building program is part of our home modification program, where we help people who have mobility issues get in and out of their houses or condos or wherever they live. We've even put them on rental properties just to help people get in and out so they can recuperate at home. That's where we want to be, at home. Tomorrow the homeowner will come home with a team of occupational therapists to see how to use this ramp and how to get around his home safely so he doesn't have a fall or issues getting in and out of the house.
It's hard to put into words just exactly what it means to people for whom we put these ramps up. We've actually had some people come out in tears and be grateful that they have now been able to have some ability to get out of their house that they didn't have before. Secondly, I enjoy doing this kind of woodworking, so it's a win-win all around.
When I came to town as pastor of First Presbyterian Church, in the first 6 weeks that I was here, I connected with community, its needs, its positives, and how First Presbyterian Church and the other churches might get more connected. There's a need in the community. There are folks in town that can't keep up. And the mayor, Tom Gorman, gave me the names of 5 homeowners that needed our immediate help. 3 homes the first year, and never dreamed that we'd be doing with home rehabs and modifications and ramps. We'd be doing between 30 and 35 homes a year. Never in our wildest dreams did Steve and I have a thought that might happen.